So, little plumbing tip. When getting a new water heater, or a new water heater, existing water heater, this stupid spigot here. It's plastic, and it's got a very teeny tiny pinchy valve in there. Well, what happens if you strike it, or just over time, that sucker fails, which this did at 3 a.m. in the morning. And then all this chunky stuff, there's no way something like that can pass through there if you're trying to drain off your water heater for service. But if you put a ball valve in there, all that stuff can shoot right out. Not a problem. Down the garden hose, out the back door when I was done. Real simple. 3/4 inch with a hose adapter. Pipe fitting. Be sure to use your Teflon tape. And shut your water off and drain it first.